दिल्ली में विकसित भारत ग्राम विकास विधेयक पर डीएमके सांसद तिरुचि शिवा ने सरकार पर निशाना साधा है। उन्होंने कहा कि गरीबों खासकर महिलाओं को लाभ देने वाली योजना को बदलकर राज्यों पर 400% बोझ डाल दिया गया है और मजदूरी में भी कटौती की जा रही है। इससे योजना का मकसद कमजोर होगा।
Which was meant for the rural people, that too the poor women, which was benefiting them a lot. Now the government is totally changing it to something else, shouldering more burden on the state government. Earlier it was centrally sponsored scheme. Now they give 40% responsibility to the states, as well as reducing the salary also. Last year and this year the budget allocation for Manrega has come down. So totally they are cheating above everything. It was in the name of Mahatma Gandhi. How they shifted the statue of Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Anil Ambedkar to the backside of the parliament where people cannot see. Likewise, they have removed Mahatma Gandhi's name himself. Because Gandhi, without Gandhi, there is no freedom. That is a total belief in this country. Because of him, it took a momentum. Though freedom movement was there, it took a momentum after him. And people are celebrating across the world. Even in Britain Parliament, we are having Gandhi statue. But here in Indian Parliament, his statue is hidden somewhere. And now the scheme which bore his name has also been removed. So we agitated it not only against that. This bill has to be referred to a select committee. And the select committee will scrutinize the bill. And after hearing the stakeholders and deeply scrutinizing it, you can bring the bill and we will help you. But they are not prepared to even refer it to select committee, and they are so in urgency. They brought the farm bills also like that. Later they were compelled to repeal it. So also the same will happen to this. We are totally against this. Since they didn't even yield to select committees referring, we all staged the walkout.